Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new beauty video for you guys and we're going to be testing out this metallic palette Wet n Wild sent me. This is a sponsored video, but as always my opinions are my own. And if you're interested in getting your hands on this palette, check the description box below for a 25% off promo code and a direct link to purchase. So let's get started and see what kind of look we can create on this bare face of mine. For this look, I'm starting in the crease using this coppery metallic shade. It blends nicely onto the skin for a subtle copper metallic finish. Next, I'm prepping my lids using some concealer. On my lids, I'm applying this metallic taupe-like color. I'm also highlighting my brow bone with the lightest shade in the palette and blending out the edges of my crease. I want this look to be super soft and romantic. And to make my eyes really pop, I'm adding that same shade to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. To intensify my crease, I'm going in with my favorite shade, this beautiful burgundy brown metallic shade. To finish off this look, I'm applying some eyeliner and finishing up the rest of my face as usual. For one final touch, I'm going back into my Wet n Wild palette to add this dark green metallic shade to my lower lash line to make my eyes really pop. And here is the final look. I'm loving this palette so far and can't wait to try different looks with it. What do you guys think? Have you tried this palette out yet? Don't forget to snag your own and use the promo code below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful, and until next time, bye. Mwah.